How to get Meta AI on Instagram. Getting Meta AI on Instagram is quite easy and simple. Just follow all the steps one by one till the end. Firstly, make sure your app is up to date. Regularly updating your app to the latest version. Meta often rolls out new features and improvements through updates. Go to your device app store or Play Store depending upon your device, and then search for Instagram. Tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in Instagram. If you see update button next to Instagram app, tap on it and after waiting for a while, the app will get updated. If your app is updated and still you haven't got Meta AI on Instagram, then exit from the space and go to the settings on your device. On Android device, you need to locate apps and open the app management section on the app settings page. Now, when you open it, select the search bar at top of the screen again and search for the Instagram application. When you open it, tap on the storage uses from this app info page and now select clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the bugs and glitches which might hindering to not get Meta AI on Instagram. Once you have done that, if the Meta AI has not been installed on your Instagram app, open the Instagram app. Now tap profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap help. Here you need to report a problem and report problem with a second. Select include and continue and briefly explain what happened or what's not working. On the section, we need to explain that our Meta AI is missing and kindly ask them to enable it on your Instagram account. If you don't know how to write it, you can easily copy paste what I have written here and you need to wait for some hours or 24 hours or 48 hours. Then Instagram will respond to your report and then help to resolve this kind of issues on your Instagram app. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.